Hello and welcome to a new evening summary presented by Stein Investments. This morning I didn't record any video because it doesn't make much sense. We had a news event here during the European afternoon. There have been high impact news for the US dollar, and as I told you yesterday, I don't trade upfront such news, and so we could have had a look at the market, but I wouldn't have taken any trade, so this makes not much sense. And after the news, the situation is different, and we got a few trigger signals from the customer alerts tool, and so I'll show you the trades I've taken. This is the US dollar yen position that is currently running, and we may close it the next minutes. Not sure what to do with it, because the last days sometimes the moves continued and I missed a lot of pips when I closed it at 11 in the evening, and so I might give it an hour or two extra time to see how it evolves. Another trade I've taken is the Aussie dollar yen and the New Zealand dollar yen, and all of them provided such pattern here with our easy scalping entry. The New Zealand dollar is clearly stronger than the Japanese yen, and so I've taken this trade on the long side. Canadian dollar yen, we got a trigger signal as well, but I didn't take it because Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen are both on the same side of the scale, so there is not much to expect here from this trigger signal, and that's why we use the FX Power Delta filter. But I can only recommend everyone to have a closer look at the chart and the lines in detail, because I already noticed there is some kind of bug in the easy scalping alerts because the lines are not always correctly reset. I already fixed it and will provide the update tomorrow along with a few other improvements we have worked on today. So, what else we got? Gold was moving very interesting today as well. We got also a few entry signals here. The first one came before we started our day, and the second one was here. Both would have provided an excellent risk-reward ratio with potential to the upside. This one is clearly the better one, with a stop loss here at the below the last M5 low. You could have got a lot when targeting the 80 or 100% ATR today. Pretty similar picture as we see on gold against the euro. There we got 3 trigger signals during today. The first one was during the Asian session, where this pair didn't move that much. The second one was here with the same excellent risk-reward ratio here to the upside, and the third one appeared here. So for our gold traders, this is definitely the right strategy, and you can hit 2 or 3 trades per day if the volatility is giving. That's not always the case, but in such scenarios it's pretty easy to win. All these examples prove once more the reliability and robustness of the easy scalping strategy, even in circumstances that we classify as unstable, because during this afternoon we've seen a constantly dropping total trading volume as well. It's been the same yesterday, and yesterday we've been able to be profitable as well, as posted in this screenshot at the MQL5 morning briefing channel. So that said, I can only encourage you to have a closer look at our easy scalping playlist we provide here at the same channel. Subscribe to it and you'll never miss any update from us. That said, I'm happy to present you the tools you need to become constantly profitable, and thank you for your attention, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.